The topic of today's video is how to speed ramp in DaVinci Resolve. So as you can see, we are on the edit tab. I'm not sure if you have to be, but it's the best place to be for this. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to chop this clip up into a few pieces. You really don't need to, but it's just a bit easier for me to work with. Okay, so now click on one of your clips, right click, and say retime controls. Also Control R works. Okay, so now you can see we have a whole bunch of markers here. What we want to do is select the spot where we want to retime. So we just move our playback line. I don't know what it's called. So let's say I want to do my retime right over here. Then I'm gonna click over here and say add speed point. And now you'll see we have a new speed point. Now I can adjust the speed by clicking over here and saying change speed. And there are your speed options. Let's go with something not too fast. Now you'll see that we've added that speed point. We can adjust it as we please. So let's play that back and see what it looks like. Not bad. Okay, let's try another one. So we'll add a speed point. Then we'll change our speed. Let's make this something very fast. And let's see what that looks like. And that's how you do it, guys. Thank you so much for watching. Do consider liking and subscribing. It really helps the channel. And I'll see you in the next video.